Most homes built prior to 1978 contain lead-based paint, and if you're renovating or considering renovating a home built during this time frame, it's important to understand the health and safety risks associated with lead-based paint and how to properly test for and remove lead-based paint from a home during renovations. Human exposure to lead-based paint is extremely dangerous, especially for pregnant women and children. Exposure can cause damage to children's developing brains and nervous systems, causing learning and behavioral problems as well as slowed growth. This is why it's so important to know and understand the signs of lead-based paint. Since I'm not a certified renovator, I hire companies that specialize in lead testing and are certified by the EPA, so I know exactly what areas have lead and where I am safe to work. Signage that defines the work must be posted and stay posted during the duration of any lead-based paint renovations. For interior renovations, the firm must cover or remove all objects in the work area. Close and cover all ductwork, close all windows and doors in the work area, cover the floor surface with taped down plastic or some other impermeable material. If the work being performed includes an outside space, doors and ground spaces require the same type of barrier as the interior work would. All window and doors within 20 feet of the work area must be closed and any openings covered in plastic, covering doors that will be used with plastic sheeting so that the workers can pass through while keeping dust and debris confined to the work area. After a successful visual inspection, the certified renovator must verify each surface has been adequately cleaned using the wet-dry cloth method and remove warning signs. The waste from renovation activities must be contained to prevent release of dust and debris before the waste is removed from the work area for storage or disposal. While homeowners are not regulated under the RRP rule, it is strongly recommended that they do hire certified contractors to prevent exposure to the toxic lead dust created by renovations. If you own a home built before 1978, here are some things as a homeowner that you should know. Lead and lead compounds have been used in a wide variety of products found in and around the home, including paint, ceramics, pipes, and plumbing materials. Lead is most commonly found in old paint, likely under several layers of newer paint. Deteriorating lead-based paint, so anything peeling, chipping, chalking, cracking, damaged, or damp, is a hazard and needs immediate attention. As a homeowner, if you think you have any of these signs, you can purchase an EPA-recognized test kit online to perform at home, or you can send a sample to an EPA-recognized lab. To find more details regarding testing as a homeowner, you can visit epa.gov/lead. It is always best practice if you're unsure to take all precautions as if lead were known to be present. Remember, these measures are in place to prevent exposure to toxic lead dust. You can read more about RRP rule on the EPA's website here, and always check with your federal, state, and local lead-based paint regulations before you renovate or hire someone to renovate any home built before 1978. Now that your contractor has removed all permeable items and taped the area off, they are ready to get started on your renovation. If you have questions or are interested in more in-depth information, you can visit our website, twochicksandhammer.com, for more information and links regarding lead-safe renovations.